PJs and get a bath anyways.
Julius. Hey.
What are you
What
doing?
are you doing? Are you playing in the ashes? Huh? Are you playing in the ashes, Julius?
He was hiding in the dark doing this.
This is the mess he made. His own personal sandbox.
Grandpa and Grandma's house is not safe. Kidding.